in Malaysia, we have a lot of tree, palm tree. So that's why they have the many industry around us. The most problem is that they just produce palm oil without treated and released to the river. So we don't maybe know how much we affect our environment just for having our food, because we cannot avoid the oil or replace it to the better things. So the palm oil, I want to just share the scenario is behind, because the government also have the rules and regulation to avoid and stop their action. Actually, they are just partially treated the palm oil waters and release it to the river. Nowadays, our environment affected by this problem. And our rivers may change the color soon. And it happened in the river nearby Johor Bahru. So why we should do? We are just survey more than 500 literature, and we found that the best candidate that we can implement it in our research is macroalgae. Macroalgae is non-chemical and also is the bioengineering aspect. So we implemented the macroalgae to just uptake the nitrogen and phosphorus from the palm oil pond after they releasing to the pond. So the macroalgae, after they uptake the nutrient, they release the O2 to the atmosphere. So it is one of the most benefit that we can have it from the macroalgae. And after that, this macroalgae can also accumulate a lot of lipid, that which could be leads to many purposes. So one of the purposes that they are using is for biofuel. And also this kind of macroalgae can reproduce the lots of lipid which has categorized for the food and pharmaceuticals. So the method that we are using is very efficient, simple, and cheap. So right now, we identified more than 5 top macroalgae in our lab in Johor Bahru. The most top candidate that we found it, they can produce and they can remove more than 64% of the pollutant from the palm oil. So before just going to finish this one, I want to share with you, we highly recommend it for the near future to just implement this macroalgae to treat the wastewater before releasing to the river. Thank you so much.